we are going to solve an interesting and viral math question. The question is, 4 raised to the power of x divided by 4 is equal to 100. Find the value of x. Let us begin with our question. We have 4 raised to the power of x divided by 4 is equal to 100. At this point, we can use cross multiplication. When we cross multiply, 4 raised to the power of x becomes equal to 4 multiplied by 100. 4 multiplied by 100 gives us 400. We can rewrite 400 as 4 multiplied by 25, because 4 multiplied by 25 is 100. So, our expression becomes 4 raised to the power of x, equal to 4 multiplied by 25. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. Therefore, we have 4 raised to the power of x equal to 16 multiplied by 25. Now we can divide both sides by 16. This gives us 4 raised to the power of x divided by 16, equal to 16 multiplied by 25 divided by 16. The 16 on the right-hand side cancels out, leaving us with 25. Since 16 can be written as 4 raised to the power of 2, our expression becomes 4 raised to the power of x divided by 4 raised to the power of 2 equal to 25. According to the laws of indices, when the bases are the same and we divide, we subtract the exponents. Therefore, 4 raised to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 25. Now, we take the natural logarithm of both sides. So, we have the logarithm of 4 raised to the power of x minus 2 equal to the logarithm of 25. Using the logarithm rule, we can bring the exponent to the front. Therefore, x minus 2 multiplied by the logarithm of 4 is equal to the logarithm of 25. Next, we divide both sides by the logarithm of 4. The logarithm of 4 cancels out on the left-hand side, leaving us with x minus 2 equal to the logarithm of 25 divided by the logarithm of 4. Now, we can rewrite 25 as 5 raised to the power of 2 and 4 as 2 raised to the power of 2. Therefore, x minus 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by the logarithm of 5 divided by 2 multiplied by the logarithm of 2. The 2's cancel out, leaving us with x minus 2 equal to the logarithm of 5 divided by the logarithm of 2. Using the change of base formula, this is the same as the logarithm of 5 to base 2. Now we add 2 to both sides. Therefore, our final answer is x is equal to 2 plus the logarithm of 5 to base 2. Let us verify our answer. Our original equation is 4 raised to the power of x divided by 4 equal to 100. We found that x is equal to 2 plus the logarithm of 5 to base 2. Substituting this value into the equation, we get 4 raised to the power of 2 plus the logarithm of 5 to base 2, all divided by 4. Using the laws of indices, we can separate the powers. This gives us 4 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of the logarithm of 5 to base 2, all divided by 4. The 4 in the numerator and the 4 in the denominator cancel out. We are left with 4 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of the logarithm of 5 to base 2. Since 4 is 2 raised to the power of 2, this becomes 4 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by the logarithm of 5 to base 2. Using the logarithm rule, we know that 2 raised to the power of log 5 to the power of 2 base 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, we have 4 multiplied by 25. 4 multiplied by 25 is 100. So, the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, which means our answer is correct. Therefore, the final answer is x is equal to 2 plus the logarithm of 5 to base 2. And that is the solution to this interesting exponential equation.